Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're in the kitchen and we're here to tell you what to buy, a juicer or a blender. Rest assured, we'll also provide you with the best examples of products you can consider buying at the end of this informational video. As always, all the links for the products we mentioned are in the description down below, as well as timestamps to help you navigate through the video. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay with us in the kitchen, especially if you're interested in more informational list-related content just like this one. Juicers and blenders not only allow you to experiment with a range of fruits and vegetables for all sorts of recipes, such as cocktails, smoothies, and juices, but they also make it easy to add more vitamins and nutrients to your diet. For this reason, we highly recommend getting either a juicer or a blender for your kitchen. The million-dollar question, however, is, which one do I get? The juicer or the blender? In this video, we'll be tackling the different uses and benefits of both machines so you can make the best purchasing decision. Difference between juicing and blending. How they handle fruits and vegetables is where a juicer and a blender most significantly diverge. Juicers remove the pulp, skin, and other components from fruits and vegetables, leaving only the juice's thin liquid behind. On the other hand, all components, including the pulp, are processed and combined in blenders to create richer drinks like smoothies. In a nutshell, juicers only extract juice when blenders can handle a wider range of kitchen applications, such as crushing ice, finely pureeing ingredients, and making rich, creamy smoothies. Aside from this, juicers tend to have only one speed, while blenders have multiple speed options. Benefits of juicing. If you're not keen on eating your fair share of fruits and vegetables, then a juicer makes it easy to consume more of them in your diet. With one glass of juice, you can pretty much get all your daily nutrients and vitamins in without breaking a sweat. Additionally, juices go down your throat easier since none of the pulp and fibers are present. Benefits of blending. The main benefit of getting a blender would definitely be its versatility. You can use your blender for more than just creating drinks and smoothies. Sauces, purees, soups, and pastes are only some of the things you can whip up using a blender. So, a blender is an excellent choice if you need a multifunctional kitchen tool that can be used for more than just mixing beverages. Which is healthier? Ultimately, fruit and veggie drinks are so much healthier when consumed with all the fiber and pulp that they come with. Fiber doesn't only counteract the sugar in fruits and vegetables, but also provides you with digestive benefits and protection against many chronic illnesses. That being said, blenders are a much healthier option compared to juicers. However, it must be noted that juicers make good options for people who want to start consuming more fruits and vegetables but aren't yet accustomed to the taste and texture of blended smoothies. Which is cheaper? Although it isn't necessarily the case that all blenders are cheaper than juicers, you'll be able to find more cost-effective options for blenders than juicers in general. With plenty of price points and styles to choose from, a beginner should be able to find a juicer or blender that suits their needs and budget perfectly. However, if you really want to save money, entry-level blenders are the way to go. Which is easier to use? Most blenders don't have as many parts as their juicer counterparts, which makes them easier to use and clean. With fewer removable parts to assemble and dismantle, you'll be better off making a smoothie than a glass of juice in the morning before work. It goes without saying, however, that it all comes down to how much work you're willing to put up with. If you really love the texture of cleanly juiced fruits and veggies, then we're sure it's well worth it to pull out the juicer and clean it afterward. How do they taste different? In general, smoothies are much richer, creamier, and frothier. This makes for an amusing beverage to drink in the morning, with all the different textures improving the smoothie's mouthfeel. Juices, on the other hand, are very clean tasting and easier to drink in one go. The bottom line is that however way you want to consume your fruits and vegetables in the morning, both juicers and blenders provide you with good tasting results packed with plenty of nutrients and vitamins. Which option should you choose? Finally, we can now answer the main question of this video. Which option should you purchase? If you're fond of rich, creamy smoothies, we'll highly recommend getting a blender. On the flip side, if you're not keen on all the fiber and pulp that fruits and veggies come with, then you're going to enjoy a juicer much more. Additionally, blenders are easier to clean in general compared to their juicer counterparts. If you find that you're always pressed for time in the morning and evenings before and after work, then a blender might be your better option. Lastly, for the truly health-conscious people out there, you might want to choose a blender for its superior benefits compared to the juicer. A lot of health improvements can be reaped, after all, with all the pulp and fiber that the fruits and veggies come with. If again you're not too keen on the taste of fiber in your mouth, a juicer will make for a great beginner option for adding fruits and greens to your diet. After reading all this, if you've decided on buying a juicer, then this is our recommendation for you. Breville Juicer. The Breville Juicer boasts a sleek, minimal design that makes it look like it could be something pulled out of a trendy third-wave juice bar. Thanks to its minimal footprint, it'll always make an easy addition to your countertop space. In terms of kitchen applications, it is perfect for making juices, and it does so very well. With a titanium reinforced disc and an Italian-made micro mesh filter basket that's made out of stainless steel, this juicer is pretty much designed for optimum juice and nutrient extraction. We would also like to highlight that the Breville Juicer boasts a 1000-watt motor that can spin up to a whopping 13,000 revolutions per minute. As a result, this can yield up to 30% more juice than traditional juicers. In addition to this, there are over 40,000 filtering pores that ensure smooth and delicious results every time. Aside from this, its unique 3-inch extra-wide chute feed allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without pre-cutting. This provides you with more time to get other things prepped in the morning before work. Lastly, the juicer cover, stainless steel filter bowl, puree disc, and juice jug are all safe to go into your dishwasher, so you can rest assured you're not going to clean everything by hand. On the other hand, if you've decided on getting a blender, then we also have a great recommendation for you. Ninja Blender. The Ninja Blender comes with a countertop-friendly design and has a slimmer and more slender form factor than most other brands. This makes it an attractive choice for those with little countertop space to spare. As for the kitchen applications, it is perfect for blending veggies into soups and crushing loads of nuts into pastes. With a capacity of 72 ounces, it is significantly larger than other blenders on the market. It also has a total crushing pitcher with lid, which helps to make sure everything is crushed in the process. The Ninja Professional Blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power that can crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. This powerful machine makes a great and versatile tool to have in your kitchen, regardless of what cooking application you intend to do with it. Aside from this, the Ninja Professional Blender also has 3 precision speeds and pulse functions. This makes it easy to turn ice into snow in a matter of seconds, crush whole fruits and vegetables into fresh juices, and blend yogurt, sorbet, and frozen fruit into smoothies in a flash. Finally, it's also dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as loading them in the dishwasher. And since the Ninja Blender's blade is detachable, it can be cleaned quickly and easily by hand. And there you have it, folks, in the kitchen team's breakdown of what to buy, a juice or a blender. If you have any insights you would like to share with the team, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to look them over for our next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you in the kitchen again soon.